Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set a red background color for div or flexbox layout in Atomic Elementor Builder. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using latest version of Elementor Builder, Atomic Elementor Builder. Now you see Flexbox and div. So click on edit Flexbox or div and then go to style, and then in style you see background. So click on it. Now you see color. So you can add background color like this. So we added black color, and then you see clipping. Now select full element. When we select full element, then it's cover whole width of screen, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see background color added on div or flexbox, and then also you see cover full width. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.